Hey there, viewers! Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can truly transform your life: why eating fermented foods can transform your gut health. Make sure to watch until the end to get a step-by-step guide on how to incorporate fermented foods into your daily diet. We've included sources of the information in the video description. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just trending, but is also crucial for your overall well-being: gut health. Have you ever wondered why everyone seems to be raving about fermented foods? Well, it turns out that these delicious, tangy treats can work wonders for your digestive system and beyond. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha are packed with probiotics, those friendly bacteria that help balance your gut microbiome. But what does that really mean for you? A healthy gut can lead to improved digestion, enhanced immunity, and even better mood regulation. Yes, you heard that right. Your gut health can influence your mental well-being, making it essential to pay attention to what you eat. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating science behind fermented foods and how they can transform your gut health. We'll discuss the benefits of incorporating these foods into your diet, from reducing bloating to boosting nutrient absorption. Plus, we'll share some easy tips on how to start adding fermented foods to your meals, whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious newbie. Understanding gut health is more important than ever, as it plays a pivotal role in our overall health. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of a healthier gut and discover how fermented foods can be your new best friend, stick around. Let's get started on this exciting journey to better health together. Fermented foods are culinary treasures that have been enjoyed for centuries across various cultures. But what exactly are they? Simply put, fermented foods are those that have undergone a natural process of fermentation, where microorganisms like bacteria, yeast, or molds convert sugars and starches into acids, gases, or alcohol. This process not only preserves the food, but also enhances its flavor and nutritional profile. The fermentation process plays a crucial role in food preservation. By creating an acidic environment, it inhibits the growth of harmful bacteria, allowing the food to last longer without refrigeration. This is why you'll find fermented foods in many traditional diets around the world. Some common examples of fermented foods include yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, kombucha, and miso. Each of these foods is not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. For instance, yogurt is rich in probiotics, which support gut health, while kimchi is loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. Sauerkraut, made from fermented cabbage, is a fantastic source of fiber and vitamin C. Incorporating these fermented foods into your diet can lead to numerous nutritional benefits. They can improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even enhance your mood by promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Plus, they add a unique flavor and texture to your meals, making healthy eating more enjoyable. So, whether you're a fan of tangy yogurt or spicy kimchi, there's a world of fermented foods waiting to transform your diet and health. The gut microbiome is a fascinating and complex ecosystem that resides in our digestive tract, consisting of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes. This diverse community plays a crucial role in digestion, breaking down food particles, and aiding in nutrient absorption. But its significance goes far beyond just digestion. The gut microbiome is a key player in our overall health and well-being. A balanced microbiome is essential for maintaining optimal health. When the gut is populated with a diverse range of beneficial bacteria, it helps regulate various bodily functions, including metabolism, immune response, and even mental health. A healthy microbiome can protect against harmful pathogens, reduce inflammation, and support the production of essential vitamins. In contrast, an imbalanced microbiome, often referred to as dysbiosis, can lead to digestive issues, autoimmune diseases, and even mood disorders. Diet plays a pivotal role in shaping the diversity of our gut microbiome. Foods rich in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, serve as fuel for beneficial bacteria, promoting their growth and diversity. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can negatively impact microbial diversity, leading to an imbalance. Incorporating a variety of fermented foods, as well as prebiotic-rich foods, can help nourish and support a thriving gut microbiome. By understanding the significance of the gut microbiome and its relationship with our diet, we can take proactive steps toward enhancing our overall wellness and fostering a healthier lifestyle. Fermented foods are not just tasty additions to our meals, they are powerhouses of health benefits, particularly for our gut. One of the key components of fermented foods is probiotics, live microorganisms that provide a wealth of benefits when consumed in adequate amounts. These friendly bacteria play a vital role in promoting gut health by helping to maintain a balanced microbiome, which is essential for optimal digestion and overall well-being. When you incorporate fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi into your diet, you're essentially introducing a variety of probiotics that can enhance your gut flora. These probiotics help break down food more efficiently, making it easier for your body to absorb essential nutrients. They also produce short-chain fatty acids during fermentation, which can improve gut barrier function and reduce inflammation. Numerous studies have linked the consumption of fermented foods to a reduction in gut-related issues. For instance, research has shown that individuals who regularly consume probiotics experience fewer symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, such as bloating and discomfort. Other studies suggest that fermented foods can help alleviate diarrhea and constipation, promoting a more regular digestive rhythm. Moreover, the benefits of fermented foods extend beyond just digestion. They can also enhance immune function and even improve mental health by influencing the gut-brain axis. By fostering a healthy gut environment, fermented foods can help reduce the risk of various gastrointestinal disorders and contribute to a happier, healthier you. So, if you're looking to boost your gut health, adding these delicious foods to your diet is a fantastic place to start. Watch until the end for a step-by-step guide on adding fermented foods to your daily diet. Adding fermented foods to your daily meals can be both simple and delicious. Let's explore some practical tips to seamlessly incorporate these gut-friendly foods into your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Starting with breakfast, consider swapping your regular yogurt for a probiotic-rich Greek yogurt or kefir. You can blend it into smoothies, top it with fresh fruits and nuts, or enjoy it with granola for a nutritious start to your day. If you're feeling adventurous, try making a breakfast bowl with fermented oatmeal, adding a dollop of yogurt and a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra fiber. For lunch, kimchi can be a game changer. Toss it into salads for a spicy kick or use it as a topping for rice bowls. You can also create a delicious kimchi fried rice by sautéing leftover rice with vegetables and a generous serving of kimchi. Another option is to add sauerkraut to your sandwiches or wraps for a tangy crunch that enhances flavor and nutrition. When it comes to dinner, miso can elevate your dishes. Use it to make a savory miso soup or incorporate it into marinades for grilled vegetables or fish. You can also experiment with fermented sauces like tempeh or soy sauce to add depth to stir fries and noodle dishes. Don't hesitate to explore different types of fermented foods. Try making your own pickles or experimenting with various flavors of kombucha. The possibilities are endless. By incorporating these tasty fermented ingredients into your meals, you'll not only enhance your dishes, but also support your gut health in a fun and flavorful way. Happy eating, potential risks and considerations. While fermented foods offer numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential risks and considerations, especially for individuals with certain health conditions. For example, those with compromised immune systems, such as individuals undergoing chemotherapy or living with autoimmune diseases, may need to exercise caution. The live bacteria in fermented foods can sometimes pose a risk for these individuals, potentially leading to infections or other complications. Additionally, some people may experience digestive discomfort when consuming fermented foods, particularly if they are not used to them. Common side effects can include bloating, gas, or an upset stomach. This is often due to the sudden influx of probiotics and increased fiber intake. To minimize these effects, it's advisable to introduce fermented foods gradually into your diet. Start with small portions and monitor how your body responds before increasing the amount. Moderation is key when it comes to fermented foods. While they can be beneficial, consuming them in excessive amounts may lead to imbalances in your gut microbiome or digestive issues. It's best to enjoy a variety of fermented foods as part of a balanced diet rather than relying solely on them for health benefits. If you have any concerns or underlying health conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. They can provide personalized advice and help you determine the best approach to incorporating fermented foods safely and effectively. Remember, your health journey is unique, and it's essential to prioritize your well-being as you explore the world of fermented foods. Incorporating fermented foods into my diet profoundly transformed my gut health. I started with small servings of yogurt and gradually added sauerkraut and kefir. Within a few weeks, I noticed a significant reduction in bloating and digestive discomfort. My energy levels improved, and I felt more balanced overall. The probiotics in these foods seemed to enhance my digestion, making me feel lighter and more comfortable after meals. Adding kimchi to my meals also introduced new flavors and variety, making healthy eating more enjoyable. This simple change not only improved my gut health, but also boosted my overall well-being. The positive impact on my digestive system has made fermented foods a staple in my daily diet. In today's video, so far we've explored the incredible world of fermented foods and their transformative benefits for gut health. From yogurt and kimchi to sauerkraut and kombucha, these delicious foods are packed with probiotics that help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, improve digestion, and enhance nutrient absorption. We've also discussed how a healthy gut can positively impact your overall well-being, influencing everything from your immune system to your mood. The step-by-step guide to incorporate fermented foods into your daily diet. Understand the benefits. Gut health. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics that support a healthy gut microbiome. Enhanced digestion. These foods can aid digestion and improve nutrient absorption. Boosted immunity. Probiotics in fermented foods can strengthen your immune system. Start slowly. Begin with small portions. Introduce small amounts of fermented foods to avoid overwhelming your digestive system. Monitor your body. Pay attention to how your body reacts and gradually increase the quantity. Choose a variety of fermented foods. Yogurt. Enjoy yogurt with live cultures as a snack or part of your breakfast. Kefir. Drink kefir or add it to smoothies for a probiotic boost. Sauerkraut. Use sauerkraut as a topping for salads, sandwiches, or as a side dish. Kimchi. Incorporate kimchi into stir fries, rice bowls, or enjoy it as a condiment. Miso. Add miso paste to soups, marinades, or dressings. Tempeh. Use tempeh as a protein source in stir fries, salads, or sandwiches. Fermented pickles. Snack on fermented pickles or add them to meals for extra flavor. Incorporate fermented foods into meals breakfast. Add a spoonful of yogurt to your morning granola or smoothie. Lunch. Include sauerkraut or kimchi in your salad or sandwich. Dinner. Use miso paste in soups or dressings and add tempeh to your stir fries. Snacks. Enjoy a serving of kefir or a few fermented pickles between meals. Make your own fermented foods. Easy recipes. Start with simple recipes like homemade yogurt, sauerkraut, or pickles. Experiment. Try fermenting different vegetables or making your own kombucha. Store and serve properly. Refrigeration. Store fermented foods in the refrigerator to maintain their probiotic content. Avoid heating. To preserve probiotics, add fermented foods to dishes just before serving rather than cooking them. Stay consistent. Daily habit. Aim to include at least one serving of fermented foods in your daily diet. Variety. Rotate different types of fermented foods to enjoy a range of flavors and probiotic benefits. By following this step-by-step guide, You can seamlessly incorporate fermented foods into your daily diet, enhancing your gut health and overall well-being. After learning about the benefits of fermented foods, I followed a step-by-step guide to incorporate them into my daily diet. I started small by adding plain Greek yogurt to my breakfast, then gradually included other fermented foods like sauerkraut and kimchi with my lunches. Experimenting with homemade kombucha and kefir made it enjoyable and convenient to have a steady supply of these probiotic-rich foods. Consistently including at least one fermented food in every meal significantly improved my gut health. My digestion improved, bloating reduced, and I felt more energized and balanced overall. This experience showed me how simple dietary changes could lead to substantial benefits for gut health and overall well-being. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on gut health and wellness and much more. Check out this related video, and I'll see you in the next one.